So let's do the Dora edit. So first open CapCut and download a manga style background and upload it. Click oval ray, and now you need is an anime manga character animation, and you can download it from YouTube. Now for example, I used Goku manga animation as an overlay, and adjust the time duration for 2 videos. Fit the overlay to the correct ratio, and click remove BG, and click chroma key. Point the chroma pointer to the blue background, and adjust. And now you'll get a manga anime video. If you want the CapCut ending, leave it. If you don't, then delete it. And now duplicate the overlay and place it at the down of the other one. And now you go to adjust and click color graph and adjust your own color. And now you click layers and send the duplicate one to the back. And go to Effects and click Video Effects. And search Solution. And click the first effect. And go to Adjust and do the adjustment. And go to Object. Now you choose the second overlay. And now add keyframes in the first and last. In the last keyframe, adjust the intensity to 100. Then you'll get a simple aura video like this. To make it even better, do the steps, duplicate the effect, and replace it with JVC. And now the adjustment is simple. Just do all adjustment to 100. And duplicate JVC and replace it with Glow 2. Adjust the size of the effect to 5. And now your video is ready. Bye, and see you tomorrow, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.